Ready. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Thank Truck. It's Friday. Today I'm going to be unboxing this TruckChef Microwave. What is TruckChef? TruckChef is the industry's leading 24-volt microwave oven. With its huge 20-litre capacity, powerful 800-watt cooking output, and tailored fitting kits for almost every heavy truck, TruckChef is the perfect companion for any truck driver. So here I have the TruckChef Microwave, which has a stylish design, dial-based control system, and 6 microwave power levels. So within the TruckChef package, you will receive the microwave, a manual. You will also have the option of purchasing a fitting kit to fit your truck correctly. The microwave does come as standard, but some vehicles will require fascia panels or a more in-depth fitting kit, which you can also purchase separately. We do make the TruckChef Microwave to suit a lot of trucks, so I'll leave a full list below of all the trucks that you can buy TruckChef Microwave for. TruckChef has a 20-litre capacity, which makes it just like the microwave you are used to at home. You'll have no problem fitting a dinner plate full of nutritious food right inside. TruckChef has been designed to maximise drivers' comfort. It has a super powerful 800-watt cooking output, which outperforms competitors by up to 30%. Who knew? TruckChef's market-leading power output enables efficient cooking as close as possible to the performance you'd expect from a 240-volt household microwave. Break time is precious as a driver, so why wait too long for your dinner? TruckChef microwaves have been engineered from its humble roots back in 2013 to be the perfect fit for trucks. Its internal power system not only provides market-leading performance, but also coupled with TruckChef's dual-layered fuse safety system, is one of the most reliable 24-volt appliances on the market. TruckChef has been provided with bespoke fittings, designed, engineered and test-fitted. They have a factory look and feel to make it appear as part of the truck. They are available for every truck and are fully backed by TruckChef's warranty. TruckChef also holds a European type approval under EMC Regulation 10. This means it can be easily added to any type approval documentation and therefore fitted prior to registration. TruckChef can also be featured in our famous cab store lockers for storage and accessibility on the go. So how much are these TruckChef microwaves? Well, prices start from £395 excluding VAT or just £23.70 a month. You can check all makes and models on our website, and if you'd like any further information, I'll leave a link down below. Anyway, that is all from me, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe and turn on the bell notification if you'd like to see any more from us, and I'll see you next time. So goodbye! Interesting. I can't actually lift it up. It's actually really awkward because I'm just sitting here in silence trying to get a thumbnail. What a vlogger, hashtag vlogger.